Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dani Flowers and today I'm gonna show you how to decorate a Stranger Things cake. This cake is super easy to do, it's super fun to do, and you are gonna love how it comes out. Well, let's go. To begin, we're gonna need a cake just like this one. And I have some tutorials for you guys, but they're in Spanish. So I'm gonna leave you a link in the description below so that will take you to my blog so that you can see all the recipes for you to end up with this result. Anyway, we're gonna start with our vanilla buttercream and start crumb coating. Once our cake is crumb coated, we're gonna put it on the refrigerator for about 5 minutes and then we're gonna give it the final icing. Now that your cake is iced, we're gonna put it in the fridge and we're gonna make all the decorations that are needed to go into this beautiful, amazing cake. Now I'm gonna give you a little tip. For it to be at eye level and you can decorate more easily, we're gonna put it on top of a bucket. Easy as that. To decorate our cake, we're gonna need black buttercream and we're gonna put it on a piping bag with tip number 2. And now to give it the Christmas light effect, we're gonna use my Eggo Chef pearls in gold, blue, pink, orange, and green. If you don't have all of these colorful pearls, you can dye buttercream in all these different colors, put it in a piping bag with a number 9 tip, and just pipe little circles all around the black line. Now I have some melted dark chocolate here. We're gonna put it over some parchment paper and we're gonna let it harden. Now to add those Eggo waffles that 11 loves so much, I found these mini Eggo waffles. They're so pretty and beautiful and delicious. We're simply gonna toast them and put a toothpick in the bottom so that they can stand up. Are you ready for this part? Look at this cake topper with the Stranger Things typography. This is amazing. It says happy birthday. I love it. Okay, So now this just makes it look complete and finished. And if you want to know where I got this cake topper, there's a link down below so you can order yours. You guys, if you're a fan of Stranger Things as much as I am, I'm sure you are in love with this cake. I mean, look at it. It's got everything. It's got the waffles, it's got the topper, it's got the lights. It just is. It's amazing. I love it. I love how it came out. And if you like it, please be sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and click on the notifications bell so that you are aware of everything that's happening in this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I send you a super huge big kiss, and I'll see you next week with a new video. Bye.